Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to convert data from one language to another language using Google Sheet. Okay, so this is the formula that we are going to use for the conversion. For the translation. And so here, if you look at the formula, it is like equal to Google Translate and A2, comma, and then EN, comma, TA. So here, this A2 is nothing but the cell name, okay? And then this EN is like the language from which we are going to convert, okay? So the language is English. So for English, the code is EN, and we are going to convert the English word to Tamil word, right? So for Tamil, it is TA, okay? So you can get these language codes from this site. If you look at the site, it is having all the language codes. You can use it, okay? So this is the sheet which I have created for the translation. So here, so I have a list of words in English. I have almost 12 words, okay? So now I'm trying to convert it to, translate it to Tamil. So here, I'm going to write the formula equal to, just type Google, you will get the Google Translate, okay? And then we need to enter the cell name here. So this cell is A2. So I need to specify A2, comma. So this is English, right? So I need to specify it as English, EN. And then I'm going to convert it to Tamil. For Tamil, it is TA. Okay, that's it. Now click outside the cell. It'll be translated. Yes. Now the word thanks got translated to Nandri in Tamil, right? So for the remaining words, you can just drag it. Now all the words got translated to Tamil. Okay, now we'll translate from Tamil to Malayalam. So here is equal to Google Translate from B2. The cell is B2, comma, from Tamil to Malayalam. So for Malayalam, the code is ML. Specify ML and click outside the cell. Okay, now it got translated to Malayalam. So now drag up to the last cell. Now all the words got translated to Malayalam. Okay, so this is how you need to translate the words to some other language using Google Sheet. And thanks for watching the video.